Hi there, future boss. You've now seen a bit of who Cleaning Warehouse is and learned about their gear. Now, I want to tell you more about their competitive advantages, purpose, values, and why being a brand ambassador for them can empower you. What do you think makes a brand awesome? Is it their cool image, their high-quality products, or how they relate to their customers? Let's take a deep dive and see how Cleaning Warehouse tick these boxes. Meet Cleaning Warehouse, your local, trusted one-stop shop for everything clean. Whether you're washing windows, scrubbing floors, or deep cleaning your school, we've got the tools and the power to get the job done right. But what makes us different? Superior quality. Our products are never watered down. What's on the label is exactly what you get. Strong, effective, and made to work. Value for money. Our standard bottles are bigger than retail brands and still cost less per liter. Big bottles, bigger savings. Bulk savings. Want to save even more? Buy in 5 liters or 25 liters. It's like wholesale shopping without the hassle of a membership card. Safer cleaning. We're phasing out harmful chemicals for safer, smarter cleaning. Better for your family, better for our planet. Locally made. Proudly South African with over 30 years of experience. Reliable, consistent, and trusted. From households to schools to big industries, we stock everything you need. Cleaning chemicals, equipment, dispensers, even delivery straight to your door. Here's where you come in. As a Cleaning Warehouse brand ambassador, you're not just promoting excellent products, you're making a difference. You're helping your community earn income and raise school funds. Students can help raise funds for their school or sports team through affiliate partnerships. You'll learn real business and marketing skills, build confidence and people skills, earn rewards, and have fun doing it. By being a future boss, you get to be a Cleaning Warehouse ambassador. Because of their great products and their great purpose, there can be a boss program and a great you. So be the voice and shine.